Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how to do some rear tail lenses. It's going to be very simple. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
So here we go, friends. We're inside the trunk. It's very easy to pop the trunk. There's a little button on the door panel. I'm just going to grab this right here, pull it off. It's pretty easy. Behind there's a stud coming through right here. One right there, one up along the top, okay? So there's three, and they have 8mm nuts on them. There's also an electrical connector right here. To remove the electrical connector, you just squeeze a little tab, and give it a little tug, show you what it looks like. There's the tab, squeeze it, pull it, okay? Always take a peek at your electrical connectors, make sure there's no funny colors, rust, corrosion, rainbow colors, anything like that. This looks great. I'm gonna use my 8mm. Take this nut off. I don't want to drop it down in here. It's always fun trying to fish those out. Number two, I'm going to hold the lens just so I don't push it and drop it on the ground. There we go. Number three, get all three of them there. Now I'm just going to take it and try to give it a little push. See if I can get it here. My hand does not want to get in there very well. Let's see. Give it a little bonk. There we go. Cool beans. So we got our old one out. Now we're going to go ahead and install our brand new one. So part of what holds it on is this little clip right here. And all it does is slide into there. So when you're trying to pull, it might not want to come off. I just bonked from the inside, bonk, bonk, came right out, okay? We have our original tail lens from our 2007 Hyundai Elantra, and we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part right here. This thing right here matches up 100% with what we're dealing with, okay? You can see it's got the same shape, looks great. We'll spin it around. We've got 3 mounting bolts, or studs, we'll say. 1, 2, 3, right there. It's got a brand new gasket coming around here. Brand new connector for just in case you were coming from the back side of that one and you bonked it, you crushed it. Well, great, whatever. Came with a brand new one. So there we are. Got our little slot for the little tab that I showed you. As you can tell, this is a quality part right here. This will fit in perfectly. We're gonna go ahead and install it in our 2007 Hyundai Elantra. Here we go. And if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and install this, right? We've got this right here. It's gonna slide onto our little tab. These studs are gonna go through the holes inside there. So let's go ahead and give it a try. We wanna be careful for any paint, right? We don't wanna scuff up our paint on our nice, beautiful Hyundai Elantra that we have here. See if I can line everything up. Slide it in. There we are. I'm just gonna start all 3 of these nuts before I go ahead and tighten any of them down. It's always super important. It's a good habit for anything you're doing, by the way. Unless, of course, it's a drain plug or something like that. Anytime you have a drain plug, you always want to make sure that you, tighten that up completely. So here we go. Just going to go ahead and tighten this down. This is just drawing the lens in. There we are. And this one. Okay, let's check it one more time here. Feels pretty great. Feels good. That one's good. Connect this puppy in. There we are. So we've got our little cover here. We're just going to slide these tabs underneath this part, okay? So whatever you got to do to get them in, you can. It's flexible, so you can bend it. You can do what you need to do. It's fairly pliable. That looks pretty great. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.